Alright, so recently I saw this guy make chili stuffed corn pudding, and he did them in little springform pans, and I thought, I bet I can make that in a pie iron. The key, apparently, is that to use a fatty chili and to chill it so it's solidified, because otherwise it could mix with your cornbread. And I have two. One, this is just chilled. This one I froze. It's been in the fridge since this morning, so it's had plenty of time to defrost. Okay, so freezing made no difference whatsoever, unless it's kept frozen. This one, it looks like the fat has kind of turned into little speckles. So I think this one might have been the frozen, but it's not frozen anymore. This one's more attractive. So I think I'm gonna use this one. And this is just regular original Stag canned chili. I have no idea if it's fattier than others. His looked very fatty. The other key is that he used this corn pudding and it used a lot of sour cream instead of the milk. He made his from scratch. You know how I roll. I am going to start an egg. Check out my egg carrier from Daiso. Perfect, because I cannot think of a time where I needed a dozen eggs while I was camping. So this little 2-egger, awesome. And I think it was maybe $1.65 or something. Oh no. I don't know. What was that, do you figure? 1/3 of a cup. And I am just going to add this till it gets to a, I don't know, pudding-like texture. I'm just going to mix it a little at a time. I think we want it pretty thick to support that chili. Now we've used about a half a box of corn muffin mix, but I think we're getting there. Yeah, this I believe is what we're looking for. Yeah, it's like a cake batter. And then I had a little bit of this cowboy candy left, which is candied jalapenos. So I'm gonna throw a couple of those in there too. Cool. Several. I'll say several. Since I brought the little grill, I brought the little pie iron. And this one is very non-stick, so I'm not going to bother with any sort of lubrication. Okay, we're going to go for it. I'm just going to do a thin layer to the bottom, all the way to the edges. Comme ça. Now, how are we going to get this guy on here? I think we can just flip it over like a hamburger patty. Okay. Not exactly centered. That's okay. Just want to cover it. This might overflow. This could be a hot mess express. Look at that. I think we nailed the quantity. Barely covered it. Used all of it. There we go. Ha ha. All right. There we go. That might be a little high. Check out that ooze. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Yeah, we have overflow. Seems safe. Hey bud, you smell there's food? Should I try and flip it over? I mean, the coals are much calmer now. Okay, Gotta do super fast, super fast. It smells good. There you go. Cheddar. Oh, might be getting too hot. Let's see. This is delicious, by the way. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, get better. That's nice and toasty. I also got a plate from Daiso. It says, outside life, under the sun. So I have a plan. Ugly side up. Take this off. I brought a trivet of sorts. This could result in injury. My plate's a little too small. Ha 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 ha. Magic. Looky there. Ooh. Is it pick-upable? The eternal question. I believe it is. Oh. Yeah. Oh man, those jalapenos. Side's slightly better?
Not